Hi Rockville Center students, it's Laura calling from BOCES, and this video has a tip for you on how to annotate a PDF in Google Classroom. So if your teacher gives you a PDF in an assignment and wants you to annotate or write over it with your finger, this is one way to do it. Now I say PDF, you can also do it with other kinds of files, but let's just focus on the PDF and I'll address that at the end of this video. I'm going to show you the steps on how to make that happen. First, what you're going to do is you're going to tap on Google Classroom, and then you're going to find the class that you have the assignment in. I'm just going to use my practice classroom right there. Now, what I want you to do is go to classwork. I find it's much better to go through classwork because that's where your teacher has everything organized for you. Now, the assignment I'm going to use right now for you is called Tools Demo Markup. Now, from here, there is a PDF that is attached to this assignment. In order to see that PDF, what you will do is you're going to look in the Your Work section. So if you look at the bottom of the screen, it says Your Work with a little arrow that points up. You're going to tap somewhere down in there, and it will open up your work. And then you will see hidden in there the file, the PDF. Mine says Laura Collin Markup Tools Demo, and it says a PDF. It tells you what kind of file it is. In this case, it happens to be a PDF. So then what you would do is you would just tap on the PDF, and it will open here. Then from here, in order to annotate or to mark up with your finger, what you'll need to do is tap on the pencil tool in the upper right corner. You will see you have 3 tools up there. The one that you want to tap on is the pencil in the middle. So I tap on that. And then down here you have all your different tools. So you have a selector tool. If you had stuff on here, you could select. If you had annotated already, you could select. You have an eraser. You have 2 different pen tools. You have a highlighter, which is helpful. And then you have a text tool. Your text tool is not your friend in this app. I wish I could say it worked better than it does. But if you add too much text with the text tool, Google gets angry and it crashes and you lose all your work. So please don't use that tool. Now what you would do is you can tap on a tool. How cool is Google? Google. And I'm finding it's a little too small. So I'm going to get my eraser and I'm going to erase it all. I'm going to zoom in. 2 fingers on your screen will allow you to zoom in. Get my tool there. Google is very cool. That looks terrible, but I'm going to leave it. You can also, like I said, highlight. So if I select the highlighter tool, I can highlight something. You get the idea. Then, when you are done, what you're going to do is you are going to tap on the Save icon in the upper right corner. So I tap Save in the upper right corner. It is saving my document for me. See, now it says Edited Laura Collin Markup Tools. Now, it looks like you don't have anything in here, but when you're in here, what you'll do is you tap on the X in the upper right-hand corner. Oh, you didn't see that. I don't know why this tool isn't working. Now, when I tap on it again, you can see it. Now, if I tap on this X in the upper right corner, I will come back to my work. As long as I haven't turned it in, I can continue to edit my document. So if I tap Edited Laura Collin, I can come in and edit this document again. I tap on the pencil in the upper right corner, and then I grab my tools at the bottom. I can grab a pencil and I can add. I'm going to zoom in. I can add to this document. Now watch this. If I get the eraser tool, I can erase anything I've added this time. I cannot, I'm now rubbing across the Google is very cool. I cannot erase anything that was saved before. Google does something called flattening the file where it becomes one file, so you can't edit that anymore. So now I'm just going to add, I'm going to add that again. And then when I tap Save, it will save the work again. And then I tap the X in the upper right-hand corner. and I'm back where I was. Now, when I'm completely done, I want to make sure I tap turn in so my teacher knows. Turn in, turn in. And now it is turned into my teacher. In a second, you'll see unsubmit. Now the teacher has all those edits, okay? And if I decided I wanted to do some more work on it, I could unsubmit it, because you'll see right now if I go in here, I do not have that pencil anymore because I can't edit it anymore. Come out here. But if I unsubmit it, then like magic, I go in here, I'll have that pencil again. So once I have unsubmitted, then I can go in and edit this again. I'm going to come back, discard my changes. And that, my friends, is how you use the annotation tool. Here's the thing. You can annotate over a Word document or a Google Doc or a PowerPoint or a slides file. You can do that, but if you're doing your typing, just bring it out into that native app, into Google Docs or into Slides, and I'm going to show you that in a different video. So if you want to draw with your finger, you would use this process. If you're typing, bring it into either Docs or Slides, whichever one you want to be in. I hope this video is helpful, and if you want to know how to bring your document into either Slides or Docs, go see that video. It's going to be called Editing Documents in Slides or Docs from Google Classroom. See you soon.